How does a tiny LED light up? Let's explore how a simple circuit works. This is a Launchpad LED. The solid color Launchpad LED has a triangular shape in the center as the light. Each LED has two metal pads, one pad marked negative and another pad marked positive. This is called polarity. This is the Launchpad Battery. It also has two metal pads, negative and the positive side. To move electricity between parts, we use conductive fabric tape. This special tape carries electricity just like a wire, helping connect the battery and the LED together. When the negative pad of the battery connects to the negative pad of the LED and the positive pad connects back to the battery, they form a loop. This loop is called a simple circuit. Inside the circuit, tiny particles called electrons move from the battery through the LED and back to the battery again. This round-trip flow of electrons through the circuit is called current. When the loop is complete and current can flow, the LED lights up. Grab your template and materials. Let's bring this circuit to life. You will need one solid color Launchpad LED, one Launchpad battery, a conductive tape strip, two binder clips, and one pair of scissors. Once you have everything ready, let's build our simple circuit. Turn to the template on the next page. Place the Launchpad LED over the LED footprint. Make sure the positive and negative pads on the LED match the positive and negative markings on the template. The colored lines on the template show the path electricity will take through your circuit. Take your conductive tape and place it over the negative blue line. Stick the tape so it covers the negative pad of the Launchpad LED. Cut off any extra tape with scissors. Now place conductive tape over the red positive line. Make sure the tape covers the positive pad of the Launchpad LED. Place the Launchpad battery over the battery footprint. Use a binder clip to clip each battery pad to the page over the conductive tape. This holds the battery in place and completes your circuit. Now watch your LED light up. Now that your LED is shining, it's time to get creative. Flip to the next page and complete the scene with your own drawing. You've turned on the light, so what does it illuminate? Share your creation with us using #Chibitronics on social media. Want to see even more magic happen? Scan the QR code and follow along. We can't wait to see what you make.